Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and today we are doing my most favorite video of them all, my monthly subscriptions unboxing. So if you're wanting to see what I got in this month's monthly subscriptions, then grab a snack, grab a bottle of water, and just keep on watching. So to start this off, this month I only received 3 of my monthly subscriptions because the 4th subscription that I was waiting for, that's why this video is so late, was my YesohYass, and I received a envelope, but it was empty. Like, I received an envelope like this in the mail. It was opened and I had no products inside. So I've already called, or not called, I've already emailed the YesohYass company to let them know what happened, and then I am going to the post office tomorrow to tell the post office that I received a package that was empty. But I didn't want to wait any longer to do this video, and I don't know how long it's going to be before they respond back to me at YesohYass, or the post office does an incident report or whatever it may be. So nonetheless, we are doing this video with just 3 of them. So obviously the first one that I'm going to do is my Ipsy bag. So if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. If you guys aren't new, then welcome back. So for you guys who are new to Ipsy or don't know what Ipsy is a monthly subscription, makeup subscription, and it is $10 a month, and it comes with 5 to 6 sample size products plus a little makeup bag. So this month for December, it's this sparkly bag with a black back. It says Ipsy on it. So let's see what we got inside. Ooh, already popping out. So this month's theme, each month they have a different theme. So this month's theme is be merry, be bright, be bold, and be you. So this is how it looks. They don't give any information about the products or anything like that. You can go online and download the Ipsy app, and then they'll have everything on there. But nonetheless, let's get on to these products. That's the best part about this. So the first one is Sugar Mini Bronzer in Woody Wonder. There you go. Woo! What a workout. So it looks like this. And, oh, a little plastic fell out. And that's the bronzer. I think that's a pretty nice size. So that was the first one. The next item in the bag is Dr. Lip Tint in Sweet Potato Pigment. How cute. It's so cute. I love pink. Alright, that's new. I've not tried anything from them. And then the next one is hashtag #INMLove Frozen Lipstick, and I'm not missing out. This is Runway Red. This is kind of confusing, but okay. Huh. So it's like a red with gold flecks through it. Interesting. I love me a good red, so I'll be trying this out. The next item is an Away Scalp and Body Scrub. I love Away products, so I'm excited. I'm all about that. I like this. So that's that. Let's see. It smells yummy. I have so many Away products. Oh, I got a brush. And this is from Farah, I guess. They're a 35E brush. It's a nice fluffy blending brush. Ooh, soft. Interesting. I love getting brushes. So is that, and then this month we got a 6th product, and this one is Finding Fernando. It's a blush in the color Skinny Dip. So it came in this little package. I'm gonna rip it open with you guys. Oh, interesting. It's like a nudie peachy pinky. Nice. Alrighty. And that's everything that I received in my bag. So yeah, all those sample size products. And to me, these for some reason are not like sample size. That's like a really big pan. Same with like the bronzer. So I got a bronzer, a blush, a brush, a lipstick, a lip tint, and a Way hair care, scalp, and body scrub. So yeah, all for $10. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So that one is done. The next one is going to be my By Sephora. And this one is also $10 or $10.65. The other one is just $10. This one's $10.65 because they do charge tax. And this comes again with 5 to 6 sample size products. And then what's good with this one is that this also comes with this. This is a By Sephora 50 beauty points. So if you become a beauty insider, you go into the store or online, and with a $20 minimum purchase, I believe, you can have these points added on to your account. You just keep accumulating points, and they have like a rewards bazaar that you can redeem. And then it comes with this pamphlet, and it tells you all kinds of cutesy things. So this month's theme, it says playlist 2018. This is Cheers to Beauty. See, Cheers to Beauty, and then it has all kinds of information on the six products that you're receiving. So it comes in this bag. See? But it comes in this box. So let's open up this baggie. Alright. And the first product that I see in here is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. It says infused with peach and sweet fig cream. I'm always down for a new primer, so I love Too Faced, so there's that. Try that. Next is the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara from Tarte. I've tried this numerous times, love this mascara, so I like that. I always love to have little sample ones because I can always throw them in my car. Next is the Pharmacy Honey Drop Lightweight Moisturizer with Green Envy Honey. I just finished my moisturizer by Simple, and I've been looking for a new one. I've been using the Believe Aqua Bomb, so, or the True Cream, I want to say. So that one is a good deal. Then I got the Sugar Advanced Therapy Dream Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. Let's open this up. So cute, these little minis. Alright, how do you open this thing? Oh, you unscrew it. How cool. And then that's the color. So that's kind of awesome. Good thinking. Good thinking, sugar. Oh, let me put it back in this package. Alright, that's kind of cute. Then I got a Trestique Mini Lip Glaze in Paris Pink. And this one looks like this. And I've gotten a few Trestique items in my Ipsy bag, so This is not a new brand to me. All right. And then last but not least, I got a Marajo Hair Care 3-in-1 Finishing Spray, Volume Control and Hold. This is new product. I've not even heard of this company. But nonetheless, we'll try it out. And those were my 6 products. Not bad. Like I told you, 5 to 6 beauty products monthly for $10.65. And their sample size. And on to my favorite of favorites. Y'all know, favorite subscription of them all is my Boxy Charm. I love Boxy Charm. So, Boxy Charm is $21 a month, and it sends you 5 to 6 full-sized products monthly. So, you get to pay $21, you get 5 to 6 full-sized makeup items, skincare items, hair items, nail, whatever it is, beauty items. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, okay. So the theme for this one is "'Tis the Sea Sun," like sea and sun. So that's awesome. And yes, let's start it off. So the first item in my box that I'm pulling out is the Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. And this retails for $30. My gosh. And I have been saying that I want to do some masks on my channel. I have a whole bunch of them. I am trying to get to that. I will, as soon as possible, film a video about my facial masks. But yes, this is going into my collection. Next, it is the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Mad About It Translucent Setting Powder. Okay, I'm all about translucent setting powders, and this is such a pretty packaging. Oh my gosh. This retails for $32. I love translucent powder, so hey, let's try that out. Next is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. This is retailing for $20. This is in the color Insta Famous. Let's check out that color. It's like a rose gold type of color with like some pink and gold glitters throughout it. Let's just swatch it for the sake of argument. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Do you see? That's nice. And like I said, this retails for $20. So far, 30, 32, and 20. That's $82 already. Next, I got a Bodyography Timber Lip Pencil, and this retails for $12. So now we're at $94. Oh, this is a pretty brown, like a brown with like a red undertone kind of color. See? It's a wooden pencil. And this is by Bodyography. So that brings it up to $94. And then last but not least, this has me so excited. I cannot believe that we received this in our box. This is the PYT Mini Hair Straightener. So, and this little bad boy, you see it, comes with a little travel case. Let's slide this out. This bad boy comes and retails for $75. $75. This makes the overall retail value of this box $169 this month. And this is how this cute little, like, this is good to do your edges, you know? When you have like really frizzy hair, like me, and you want to get real close and you can't because it's super hot. There you go. These are little mini to just do your edges. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. But $75 for this one little thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm having a heart attack just thinking about it. But yes, that is what I got in my Boxy charm this month. And then you see I'm wrapping it right back up because this is expensive. Like, dang. Like, dang. Let's just make that look pretty. There you go, see? Right back where it's at. So yes, like I told you, the overall retail value of this box is $169. That is completely ridiculous. I do not know how BoxyCharm does it. I don't know how any of these monthly subscriptions do their thing, but they do it nonetheless, and I love it. I enjoy trying new products, receiving new products, and not breaking my bank. So yeah, that's it. Such a short little like video. I know, it's crazy. We'll start out fresh in 2019. I'm going to attempt to film a best of 2018 makeup video on all the things that I think were like standout makeup items, things that I can't live without, things that I'm obsessed with. If you guys enjoyed watching my unboxing of my monthly subscriptions, then please give this video a like, thumbs up, share it, comment down below which is your favorite monthly subscription, or if you have any suggestions on monthly subscriptions that I should try out, please leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, of course, you know, and hit the notification bell down below so that you can get notified every time I upload videos, which is on Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, if life permits. Y'all know I'm a mama of 5 babies, and sometimes things don't work out like I want. But yeah, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see all you beauties in my next video.